This is Tuck with Tuck GC. We're out in Fairfax, Virginia. We just finished up a large-scale project, been out here for the last about 6 weeks, and I want to go through with you what we did here. Driveway apron, culvert, river rock, a lot of drainage, gutter ties in, French drains, tons of grading and elevation changes, large-scale concrete driveway with paver border, a bunch of details up there dealing with stone and pavers. Tons of grading here with a retaining wall, French drain, and then this patio, flagstone area help fix drainage and water. We'll explain that when we get up there. Low voltage lighting, all kinds of cool stuff. Let's take a closer look. First things first, you're going to see this apron, all this river rock, new culvert, evidence of the drainage system there, retaining wall. And one of the main things we did on this project, yes, they wanted this paved area, they wanted something nice, but a lot of the water was running this way, kind of had a bottleneck. We lifted up the elevation over there probably 16 inches, so the driveway, all the water pitches this way, should hit this wall. All the water from the patio flows down this way, comes here, and then right when you hit that seam there, it starts tilting this way, and it'll all run out and down the road and into the gutter system like it's supposed to. Coming up here, you see beautiful driveway. Now I do want to point out, this was almost a 40-yard pour. When you do a large-scale pour like that, even though we had our truck stacked up and we emptied all of them within, an hour and a half or whatever, you're always going to find slight differences in the broom finish as you go from truck to truck to truck. The good news is no cold joints, all monolithic poured, which makes it stronger and better in the end. And over a few months, once this weathers a little bit, it'll all blend in and look great. Still looks great now, but it'll just look better with time. Techo-Bloc paver, Linea, 4 inches thick almost, high density paver, made for these driveway applications. Really looks cool. And when you're looking at this, it's kind of hard to tell, but it's weird sizes, like 9 inches, 13 inches, just odd sizes. But it's designed so you never see one of these lines in a row. All random pattern. You have to set this a special way, 6 pieces deep, where you adjust the pieces in different orders and different placement to get this beautiful look. A lot of thought goes into laying this out. You can't just drop these pavers down. Now I'm going to go up there and talk about some details on the garage. Let me pause the video. So over the years, the previous homeowner of this home put in some additions. We suspect they maybe did some of the work themselves, and not knocking the house, it's a beautiful house, but just some of the things wasn't done to the standards that we would maybe do today, just looking at the quality of the work and some of the squareness of the structure and all that. So one of the issues we had here is the garage slab wasn't square with the building, with the actual construction. So the concrete was way out here and it got skinnier, fat here and then skinny there, and the concrete almost disappeared there, but it looked really weird because you had like this triangle of concrete coming that got bigger and bigger and bigger. So we were able to saw cut that back, take the pavers flush with the door, and it just gives you such a cleaner look. Along the bottom of the foundation here, there was some issues with, siding that was coming off. They had some aluminum pieces that they left. It didn't look great, so we cut that off, put in a little water table. Here in this corner, there was actually a foundational issue where the foundation was just levitating there, so we underpinned the corner of this garage to make it structurally sound again. Put in a new crawl space vent, a lot bigger than the old one, get some better ventilation. Water table there, and then all the pavers slope down here. So one of the main things on this project, I talked about drainage at the beginning. This deck here was basically built underground and was starting to rot out. And I'll show you as we get over there. But one of the places we couldn't do anything different, we thought about doing kind of a little retaining wall here and stepping this down, having a step down. But once we started laying it out, it just didn't look good. So we had to make the executive decision to just kind of slope along the step. But everything over here, we were able to fix the grading on. Now as I walk through this area, look at how good that concrete with the paver, with the flagstone, with the grays on the wall, with that premium blue cap, just really looks good. We use 2-inch thermals on everything, on all the wall caps and the steps. 30 low voltage lights from Volt the whole way around. I guess I missed the transformer over there hooked into the panel. Now this is what I was talking about with this grade change. You can see over there how the dirt, it was really high, and that step was actually completely underground, and we were like, that's going to be an issue in the future. You can't maintain it. You could see it's almost rotting out right now. They got somebody coming in actually painting all this and putting in some board there. So once that's done, I'll probably come back and shoot another video, but I wanted to get one up now just to show you. But all this grade, we dug all this dirt out. Got to remember, there's 4 inches gravel or more, 4 inches of concrete, 2-inch stone, mortar bed, all that. I mean, we excavated down about 2 feet here. You wouldn't believe how much dirt was here. Huge pile of dirt. We took 4 trucks, triaxles out. Beautiful flagstone here along the entryway. We were able to expose the step again. Nice seating wall. Step down to match this step to expose that. And the beautiful flagstone flowing out into the driveway. French drain over there. Tied in all the downspouts, which flow out to the ditch area. And everything looks really good. So I hope you like what you see. At Tuck GC, we can do any of these large scale jobs, big concrete projects that other companies are scared of, paver borders, flagstone. I mean, some of the details of making sure you get the measurements right from here to here and here to here and all these areas to make them look good and not have any paver cuts anywhere. It took a lot of forethought to put it together, but this is what we do. So any project from small to large like this, we can undertake. Natural stone, pavers, river rock, drainage, grading, concrete work, all our specialties. So give us a call. We'd be happy to service you as a client as well. Thanks for watching and have a good day.